Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change your password on the Alibaba application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the My Alibaba icon down below, which is the last option. Scroll down till you find the settings section and click on it. Then tap on change password, which is the fifth option. As you can see, they have sent a verification code to your email. So you need to go to your email, and then you will find a notification that has been sent to you. And after that you should type in that code that you got or that you have received. And after that you should tap on the button next in order to change your password on the application. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.